The machine socket connects the power cable and foot pedal to the machine. The power switch is used to turn on the machine and the light. The hand wheel is used to position the needle and the thread take-up lever. Rotating the hand wheel in this direction by hand sews stitches without pressing the foot pedal. The bobbin winding spindle on this machine stops the motion when pushed towards the bobbin winding stopper. The carrying handle is used for transporting our sewing machine. The spool pins hold the thread spools. The thread guides guide the thread coming off the spool on its way to the needle. The bobbin winding spindle spins the bobbin to wind the thread. The motion stops when we push the bobbin winding spindle towards the bobbin stopper. The bobbin winding stopper stops the bobbin from spinning when it is full of thread. The bobbin winding presser guide regulates the thread winding around the bobbin. The thread tension dial increases or decreases thread tension passing through its thread tension discs. The check spring holder regulates the spool thread while the machine is working. In this machine, the check spring holder is not visible. The thread take-up lever lifts the spool thread. These thread guides guide the thread on its way to the needle. The machine needle is used to create stitches on the fabric. The needle clamp screw is used to insert or remove the needle. The presser foot pushes the fabric down over the needle plate and feed dogs. The presser foot holder holds and releases the foot presser with this lever. The foot presser holder screw allows us to remove and replace the foot presser holders to other varieties, like ones used to sew invisible zippers. The presser foot lifter moves the presser foot up and down. The needle plate is located below the needle and has guides on it. The feed dogs push the fabric towards the back of the machine. The sewing light improves visibility, and on most machines it is above the needle plate. The machine table holds fabric on its surface. The extension table is located here. When removed, it gives us a smaller table section, revealing the free arm. To reach the bottom thread section in machines like this one, we remove the bobbin cover plate. In this machine, the bobbin case is not removable. The reverse stitch lever is used to prevent unraveling of stitches. The stitch length lever adjusts the length of the stitches as desired. Higher numbers result in longer stitches. The pattern selector buttons select different decorative stitch patterns. The foot controller is a pressure-sensitive pedal used to activate the sewing machine. The harder we press on the pedal, the faster the machine works.